Panthera tigris, also known as the tiger, is one of the largest cat species surviving in some range of the world. They are also called the umbrella species, as the conservation also conserves many other species in the same habitat.
Once upon a time, there was a small village near a big forest. One day, villagers caught a tiger and put him in a cage. They placed the cage in the middle of the main road for everyone to see their brave deed and to tell everyone that the tiger was no longer a threat to anyone. The tiger requested everyone passing by to let him out. "Please let me out of here, and I promise not to eat you." He cried, but nobody believed him, and he stayed caged.
At last, one day a kind traveler passing by agreed to his plea after taking a promise from the tiger that he would not eat him. But as soon as the tiger came out of the cage, he pounced on the traveler. The man pleaded, reminding him of his promise, but the tiger did not want to let his prey go. Just then a clever fox came there and asked what was going on. After hearing both the parties, the fox said, "I don't believe you two. How can such a big tiger be in such a small cage? It's not possible." And he started going away.
The tiger was eager to eat the man, and so he said, "No, don't go. Let me show you." And the tiger went back inside the cage. The clever fox wasted no time and quickly locked the cage. The kind traveler's life was saved, and he thanked the fox for saving his life. And they left the caged tiger and went their ways. Modern. Trust the basic nature more than the world.
The tiger. And tiger's color is orange. Tiger is our natural animal. Tiger is the biggest animal of the cat family. It's the strongest animal of the jungle. Tiger is a carnivorous animal, which means flesh-eating animal. It has long and strong body, 4 legs with sharp nails and 1 tail. Save tiger! Tiger is a carnivorous animal, which means it is a flesh-eating animal. It hunts other animals for
Tiger has long and strong body. It has 4 legs, strong paws with sharp nails and 1 tail.
You know, tiger is found in orange color with black stripes on it. But white tigers have black stripes and white. Tiger is the biggest wild animal in the cat family. It is one of the strongest animals of the jungle. Hello friends, tiger's eyes are similar to cat size, but the white tiger has blue eyes. Tiger produces the sound of roaring. It can be heard from 3 kilometers away.